Iowa, my state, has a rich legacy in leading the nation and the world in agriculture production and innovation. Iowa is first in corn production, first in eggs, ethanol, pork, and second in soybeans. Family farmers are the main institution for producing all this. So those family farms are how many Iowans leave their mark on our world by passing their legacy to their children. In the United States Senate, Senator Ernst and I have the great privilege of representing these family farmers. Senator Ernst and I have worked with the Trump administration to make biofuels a priority. We've secured E15 year-round. 15 billion gallons of ethanol are blended annually, as the law requires. New ethanol infrastructure through the USDA, and secured an extension of the biodiesel tax credit. We've secured and expanded trade agreements with our largest trading partners, which add value to Iowa's commodities. We also helped put an end to the ridiculous Obama-era Waters of the U.S. rule that would have regulated 97% of Iowa's farmland as a navigable waterway. But just as the harvest comes to an end, usually in November, our work will not stop in November. Senator Ernst and I will continue to focus on Iowa farm families and ensuring their success for years to come. I yield the floor.